Egerton University is located 24 kilometers from Nakuru town off Nairobi-Eldoret Highway through Njoro Interchange. This is the impression of the ultra-modern security checkpoint that is near completion. The checkpoint will host security department and a shopping mall. This is the road from the main gate leading into the university passing across Njoro River. These are the very first buildings of Egerton University hosting the Faculty of Environment and Resource Development on the right, Department of Crops, Horticulture and Soils on the left, and Computer Science Department at the center. This is the University Graduation Square surrounded by the main library, Education Complex and Kilimo Hall from left to right center. This is Education Complex housing the Faculty of Education and Community Studies with the following departments: Agricultural Education and Extension, Applied Community and Development Studies, Psychology, Counseling and Educational Foundations and Curriculum, Instruction and Educational Management. The far background is the front view of the University Administration Block. KCB Egerton branch is at the left foreground, followed by the Dean of Students' Office, Old Hall Students' Hostel, Science Complex on the far end, Procurement and ARC Hotel on the right. ARC Hotel is an international standard hotel offering conferences, meetings, accommodation and recreation facilities. This is Utafiti building that houses the Division of Research and Extension. The building has the Office of the Deputy Vice Chancellor Research and Extension, research offices, conference and meeting rooms, a cafeteria, and research finance offices. Showing now is the Faculty of Arts and Social Sciences, FAS Complex. The two-wing complex contains the following departments: Economics, Languages, Literature and Linguistics, Peace, Security and Social Studies, and Philosophy, History and Religion. Other departments hosted here are Agriculture, Economics and Agribusiness Management, Geography and Language Laboratories. FAS Library is also housed here. This is a newly completed physics block within Science Complex. The complex also has Chemistry block on the left. These are the new students' hostels. These are the male hostels referred to as Buruburu. The Botanic Garden, managed by the Faculty of Environment and Resource Development, contains indigenous and extinct herbs and trees used for research and practical teachings. The garden serves as a recreational center supporting social activities like weddings, hangouts and photo shoots. It also has an expansive flower museum. The university has a huge crop plantation in its practical farm, Tarton Agriculture Park, used for fodder and cereals. Kenyatta campus is one of our campuses constituted as a center for capacity building with emphasis on economic, social and institutional development. The campus engages in activities such as farmer education, agricultural extension, professional and leadership training, training on small and medium enterprise development, quality standards of pre-tertiary education through training educators, and provision of consultancy and research on various areas. This is Lord Egerton Castle. This is Lord Egerton Castle. It was constructed by the founder of the university, Lord Maurice Egerton of Tarton. The castle is managed by Egerton University Investment Company as a recreation center supporting corporate and social events. It is also a tourist attraction site due to its magnificent structure and history that came with it. This is CoELIB Center, located within Tarton Agriculture Park. The center supports research on livestock value chains, business incubation, capacity building, agriculture consultancies, and media for professional advancement. These are the CBD Ladies Hostels, Junior Common Room, Student Center, and J.F. Kennedy Mess. These are the upper messes containing Simba Wing for staff, Kiboko and Chui Wings for students. This is an expansive view of the ARC Hotel, and to the right are transport and procurement departments. The university swimming pool supports students' talents and hosts local and national competitions. This is the university sports ground, having pitches for various sports such as rugby, volleyball, basketball, football, woodball, handball, tennis, among other gaming activities. Welcome to Egerton University, our Chancellor. Egerton University, transforming lives through quality education.